this is the beginners, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing and also a review of my wallet. This is not a new wallet, but I just love to doing things when you review. Start from the beginning, start from unboxing the box. So yep, today I'm gonna review an SLG or small little goods from LV, and this is my wallet from LV. The box have this kind of pull thing, the blue, this is blue Vuitton where you can just pull. Yep, it's like drawer, and you pull it and you got your things. Here is your wallet with the dust bag with the Louis Vuitton on it, and it is very nice. Even though this is just a SLG, it's not a bag, it's not a shoes, but you get dust bag as well. It's a good thing about buying things from luxury brand. They give you a complete package from the box, paper bag as well, and also the dust bag. Even though it's just a SLG, not a bag, then you feel like you're being appreciated, from buying their stuff. Well, you pay from the price, and then you got the quality and also the premium packaging. So, yep, this is the Vuitton Victorine wallet and Damir Abin. Actually, when I wanted to buy this wallet, I wanted to get the monogram one because before I able to purchase my very first luxury handbag, I wanted to get my hands on the wallet first. And of course I wanted the monogram one, but at that time there's no monogram pattern in the store, and it's only available which is this print, the Damir Abin. And I asked the essay at the time, can I have at least the rose ballerine inside the inner part of the color? And then she said that sorry, it's also sold out and it's also available this one. So what can I say, because at that time I really wanted to have one, and then I don't have any choice. I think every color will go for me. Let me get that receipt for you for this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, I think so. So this is the receipt from the store if you bought it online. If you bought it offline through the store directly. And this is a complete receipt. You've got the information of the stuff itself, of the products. And then also at that time I also asked to have the hot stamping. See? Because this is my very first luxury purchase, so of course I wanted to have a hot stamping on it because I feel like I own it. This is my very first purchase, so I have to make my name on it. So this is my nickname. I put it Tia over here on top. So the stamped it over the Louis Vuitton logo over here, and this is made in Paris, made in France, which is I'm very happy. I think most of my stuff from LV store here in Indonesia or Jakarta is actually made in France, so it's a nice one. I don't know if it's nicer one compared to made in Italy or USA, but I think most people wanted to have made in France rather than other countries, because it is what it is. Like LV is a brand from France originally. Okay, this is a trifold wallet, and then I always wanted to have a compact wallet that could fit in my bag, even though I bring the mini bag. And then it has this beautiful red inner, bright red, And before I have this wallet, my wallet is a medium size of wallet, not the long one, not this small, but it's medium size of wallet from Longchamp, in a core, I think it's a leather one, they call it queer, or I don't know how to read it, but it's a full leather, and I have it in nude color, which now I've already give that wallet to my sister. So I wanted to have a smaller wallet at the time, and there you go, you have this trifid wallet, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and it has a 6 card holder, which is, we wanted to buy this wallet. I don't know if it's already happened to me, but first time I bought it, okay, this is just another random card, okay? It's not really easy for me to put the card over here. See, even though right now I've already used it for I think half years, because I bought it back in I think December 2019. It's not that easy. See, I have to push it right there. When I first bought it, it's even harder. I don't know, maybe there's a glues in it, or maybe it's just so new, so it's not easy for me to put the card, but right now it's much better, and it gets more flexible at the time. And then you also have these 2 slot compartment over here, which is a bigger space for you to put another card, and another one over here, which have this what is it called? Yeah, just you know, what kind of materials of this bag made it, which is coated fabric, white leather lining, and then also this part where you can put your coins. I have my receipt over here. Okay, but I don't really use this for coins, because we just not really have coins here. I mean, we do still have coins, but it's not really valuable in this country, at least. You just buy small things from like a mini market, things like that, and you get a change as in coin type of money. But right now it's not really that, you know, it's not like everywhere the coin in my country. And you have this one compartment for your monies. Well, your money will definitely get folded, because it's a folded wallet. It's not like a long wallet where you just, you know, can put your money in like in the original length size. This one is not. I'm comfortable with that. But I think for some of you who are basically from Indonesia, or maybe also in some countries, if you put a dollar, like USD dollar, or maybe another foreign money in here, they don't want to have like say like US dollar to be folded. The value is just will decrease. That's what happened in my country, which is this type of wallet will not be suitable for that, so you have to have the long wallet. But so far I've been using it for 6 to 7 months, and I am happy with my purchase, and it's very useful, and I don't find any defect up until now. It's still completely okay. See, nothing wrong, no scratch, no nothing. Glazing still very much fine. See, nothing. It still look very new and good. And sometimes I also overstuffed this wallet with my card, because I have a lot of cards, you know, just insurance cards, you know, credit card, and then ID and some others. But it's still very much fine, and then I'm happy with this purchase, and I think this wallet will last very long because of the material itself, because I know that canvas is a really good material. It will last very long. I heard that the LV canvas is just such a workhorse. So I'm happy with this purchase. So if you're looking for a wallet that is very compact and can fit a lot of things and also can cover so many cards in your wallet, this might be a good choice for you to have. So thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.